A very good afternoon, children. Today we are going to discuss a grammar topic, that is adjective phrases. So yesterday we have learned about a noun phrase, and today we are learning about adjective phrases. So children, one of you give an example for a noun phrase.
At the gate. No, on the stage.
On the stage, that becomes a prepositional phrase.
On the stage.
Yeah,
Okay.
yesterday
Jug
we have
full of
discussed
love.
Glass full of juice.
a
Juice?
glass full of juice.
Juice.
Okay, make a sentence. A
Ritvika
record
bought
on
a
the
glass
table.
full of juice.
Yes, very good. A record on the table. What is there on the table?
Record.
A record. So make a question with what? You will get the answer.
What is on the table?
Yes, record. The record is on the table. The record. Clear? So like that, you have to make a questions. Understood, all of you? Yeah.
Yes.
So now we are discussing about adjective phrases. Okay. So in the adjective phrases, an adjective phrase is the group of words that does the work of an adjective. That is, it describes a noun or a pronoun. What is the
Pronoun.
function of an adjective, children?
It describes a word of a noun or a pronoun.
Yeah,
It consists of adjectives, modifiers, and any word that modifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence.
it's very good. Who is that?
Mahima sir.
Mahima. Very good, ma'am. Okay. So, an adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective in the sentence. So, that is, it describes a noun or a pronoun. We all of us know that an adjective describes about noun or a pronoun. That is why an adjective is called as a describing word. We know it. Okay. The adjective phrase usually comes after the noun or pronoun it qualifies. So, some examples I have given yesterday. For example, I like to see a smiling face. Have you written this sentence yesterday?
Yes, sir. I like to see a smiling face.
Yes. I
Yeah, yesterday we've written it.
I like to see
A face with smile on it.
a smiling face.
Sir, आपको ये default होता है. A face with smile on it.
Yeah, a smiling face. Now, first you need to identify where is this adjective phrase. No, where is the adjective you have to remember. Yes. Where is the adjective in this sentence?
Smiling.
Smiling. This is an adjective. Smiling face. That becomes adjective phrase. Because
Yes.
so the adjective is describing about the face. What sort of face? Smiling face.
Smiling
In
face.
all the adjective phrases, we could find some adjectives in the sentence. Understood? So now we have to make an actual sentence of adjective phrases. Okay. I like to see. I like to see. I like to see a face. I like to see a face with a smile on it. With a smile on it. Smile on it. See, children. Now you underline. From where you have to underline, you have to tell me. Where is the adjective phrase? You have to identify now. Yes.
I like to see a
I like to see a face with a smile on it.
smile on it, sir.
Smile on it. Yes, sir. Smile on it.
Only smile on it.
A smile on it. A smile on it.
A smile on it. Only
A
this.
face, sir,
This is a
a
phrase.
face and
Hmm?
smile on it, sir.
Yes, very good. From here it starts. Okay.
A face with smile on. A face with a smile on it.
Yes, with a smile on it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I like to see a face with a smile on it. From here to here. But whereas here, I like to see a smiling face What sort of face? Smiling face. This is also an adjective phrase. This is also an adjective phrase. But it is larger sentence. Okay. Here we are using only adjective. Understood, children? Only we are talking about adjective. But whereas here the adjective phrase we are using. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Adjective phrase we are using. Okay. Next. I'll give an example. You have to do by yourself and tell me now itself. This is a stone wall.
It is a
This is a stone wall.
Sir,
Identify where
yesterday
is
you
an
gave,
adjective phrase. Yes.
sir,
Yes, ma.
yesterday you gave 4 noun phrases, no, sir, and you
Yeah.
told 5 noun phrases.
Have you send it to me?
Ah, no, sir, but I did 3, sir.
Okay. Send today. You do it and send to me.
Okay.
Yes. This is a stone wall. Where is an adjective? Identify, children. This is a stone wall.
is a stone wall.
Huh?
Sir,
Is a
is
stone wall.
no, sir, stone
This is
wall.
verb. This is verb.
A stone wall, I think, sir.
Sir, stone wall only, sir.
Please
Yeah.
stone wall.
Stone wall, sir.
Yes. Stone is an adjective here. Stone is an adjective. What sort of a wall it is? Stone wall. Okay, this is a stone wall. This is a iron wall. Clear? Okay, now make this sentence into adjective phrase. Make it fast. Okay, this is a see. This is a wall.
Made
This
made
is a
with
wall made
stones.
with
This is a
stone.
wall. Yeah,
Made with stone.
built
This is a
of
wall made
stone.
up of stones.
This is a wall built of stone.
Built of stones.
Okay, this is a wall built of stone. Now you have to identify and tell me where is an adjective phrase.
Sir, a built of stones.
Sure.
A wall built of
No,
stones.
sir. Wall built of stone. Wall
Ah,
built of stone.
wall built of stone.
So wall is an adjective.
wall built of stone.
Yes. Wall is an
Yes,
adjective.
sir. Huh?
Is it
Sir,
of
stones
stone?
no, sir,
Yes.
adjective.
Start with the verb here. Okay. Built of stone is an adjective phrase. Okay. Write down. Okay. Now one more example I'll give you. You have to tell me now. Okay. He leads a carefree life. Write down. He leads a carefree life. He leads a carefree life. He leads a carefree life. So where is the adjective, children?
Sir, carefree.
Carefree.
Yes,
Carefree.
carefree is an adjective.
Yeah, carefree.
Okay, what is noun here?
He.
Hmm?
He.
He is the noun. Where is one more noun?
Life.
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 Noun. Okay. So here, carefree. Okay, we are adding carefree to a noun life, which means describing about a life. What sort of a life? Carefree life. Okay. So this is not an adjective phrase. Only an adjective is used with a noun. Now you have to make an adjective phrase. Do it now. Make it. Try. Mahima.
How can we make this like that?
Sir,
Yes. He leads a carefree life.
he leads a carefree life.
Hmm.
Adjective noun. Yes.
Yes.
Sir, can we note down the example in our course book?
Yeah. That is the reason I'm giving you on the board for you.
Is it like this?
Yeah.
He
He leads a
okay,
life. He leads a life
Which kind of life he lives?
free from
Free
care.
from
Clear? He
care.
leads a life free from care.
Yes.
So now you have to identify from where adjective phrase starts. At least identify. Mahima.
Sir,
Yes, identify.
he leads a life with
Sir, free from
life
care.
free.
is it free from care?
Yes,
Is
that's
it
right
free from
answer.
care?
Free from care
Care.
is the right answer.
Sir.
Okay. Only the thing what you have to do is the last part you have to bring it to the beginning. Okay. He leads same. He same you have to write here. Leads the same verb you have to write here. Then article same article. Then followed by the noun life you have to bring it to after the verb. He leads a life free from care. Only this part we have to imagine and write. Free from care. Okay, in the examination,
Free from
I will
care.
ask you to identify. Understood? There,
Yes, sir.
it's much easier for you to do, and also there will be much confusion. Which one is the right one?
Give another example, sir.
Yeah. How many I have given you?
2, sir.
2 or 3? 3 I have given you. I like to see a smiling face. This is a stone wall. He leads
Yes,
a
sir.
carefree life. So now I will give you a homework for you. You do by yourself and tell me. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Or else you make your own sentence and tell me. Right? I'm writing on the board. All of you copy it.
Sir, what was the second example, sir?
Second example. This is stone wall.
Yes, sir.
This is a stone wall. Make it into adjective phrase. This is a stone
This
wall. This is a wall built of stone.
stone. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Good. Now, examples. Okay. A golden necklace. I'm giving adjectives. You have to make adjective phrases. A golden necklace. A golden necklace. A golden necklace. Okay.
Sir, now what we are giving, can we note it down in our notebook?
Yes. Make it. Adjectives. These are the adjectives, ma. Okay. So here you need to make adjective phrases. Adjective phrases. Clear? Adjective phrases. One example. A golden necklace. A necklace made of gold.
Yeah. A necklace
Necklace
made of gold.
made of gold. You can imagine for yourself and say the answer. A necklace made of gold. So from now on, you have to write by yourself. I gave an example here. Okay. Indian people. Indian people. Can you guess? Indian
Indian
people.
people.
Yeah, adjective. Indian is an adjective.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Indian people.
The people are from India.
Indian people are
Simple. People of
Are from
India.
India.
Of India.
Okay.
People of
Imagine.
India.
Imagine. Next. Crowd. Crowd place.
Place of crowd.
Yes. Crowd place. Crowd place.
Place of crowd.
A place with a large number of people. A place with a large number of people. Right on. A place with a large number of people. Clear? Yes.
Yeah.
A white elephant. You tell me this. A white elephant.
Elephant
A
which
white
is white.
An
elephant.
elephant which is white.
An elephant
Elephant.
which is white.
Very good. Okay. An elephant with a white skin.
Yes, sir.
An elephant. An elephant with a white skin. You have to imagine with a. You're trying very well with a white skin. Are you writing or not?
Writing, sir.
Do it fast.
Writing, sir.
White skin. Clear? Next. A brief discourse. A brief. A brief discourse. Okay. A discourse can be, children, written form or a spoken form. Discourse. A brief discourse. Brief means a short duration. You tell me. A brief discourse.
So 1 minute. We'll copy this and then explain. Sir. 1 minute.
Make it.
Okay, then yes.
Sir, a discourse with a short duration of time.
A discourse.
With a short duration of time.
Very good. That's right. You can write. A discourse of short duration or short duration means only time. No need to say again. No need to mention time. Clear? A discourse of short duration. That is the answer. A discourse of short duration. So like that, there are many examples. Clear? I think they are sufficient for you.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. You can make your own adjective phrases. For example, instead of saying Indian people, you can say Chinese food. Okay, Chinese color. Okay, a white elephant. Or maybe a tall giraffe. Like that, you can make your own adjective phrases. Clear? Now, let us discuss about adverbial phrases. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right?
We wrote, sir.
Yeah. Next. Did you write the answer for a brief discourse?
Yes, sir. Give the
Okay.
answer.
What is the answer? A discourse.
With a
A discourse with a short duration.
Yes, sir.
A discourse with a discourse with short duration. A discourse with a short duration.
Short?
Duration. Duration.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Next, give the heading adverb or adverbial phrases. Quickly.
Adjective phrases. Then adverb.
Yes. Give the heading
Yes,
adverb.
sir.
So by the time one of you tell me what do you mean by the adverb. Okay.
Adverb.
Yes. Adverb or
Adverb.
adverbial
Adverb is a
phrases.
word.
Adverb or adverbial phrases.
Adverbial phrases. Okay. Yes. So one of
A
you.
word that modifies or qualifies an adjective or verb. Sir.
Okay,
Only
good.
verb.
That's also right. Listen, all of you. An adverb is a word which is used to modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Clear? That is the meaning of adverb. Did you understand, children? Again, I repeat. Write down, all of you. An adverb is a word.
So still how much time is there, sir?
So you want to go?
Not like that, sir. Means I have to go to Varangal. I'm in Hyderabad, sir.
Okay. Still 10 minutes more. Only 10
Adverb is
minutes.
a word that
Okay, yes. An adverb is a word. Write on.
completed sentence.
Write down. An adverb is a word which is used to modify, an adverb is a word which is used to modify a verb, comma, adjective, or another adverb, or another adverb. Another adverb.
Example: gently, loudly.
Yes. So there are many adverbs that slowly, okay, fast, gently, okay, abruptly, violently. There are many adverbs. Clear? So one of you read from page number 5.
Yes, sir.
Read loudly.
An adverb phrase is a group of words that functions as an adverb in a sentence.
Wait,
It
all of you
consists.
underline. All of you underline. In order to understand what is an adverbial phrase, you need to know an adverb phrase, the group of words. Group of words, not one word, children. Adverb is a one word, but whereas adverbial phrases, they are group of words that functions as an adverb in a sentence. Those group of words together, they act as an adverbial phrase. Remember. Go ahead.
It consists of adverbs or other words like prepositions, nouns, verbs, modifiers that make a group which works like an adverb in a sentence.
Okay, good. So, in order to identify an adverbial phrase, you have to know what are those prepositions in the adverbial phrase, and the nouns and the verbs and the modifiers, okay, that make a group which works like an adverb in a sentence. Next.
Thus, an adverb phrase functions like an adverb to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb.
Yes.
Examples:
Already told you, children. The function of an adverb is to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. A verb. First, all of you look here once. Look at the board. I'll give an expression of the adverb clearly. Example. Okay. Here. He works. He works fast. How he works? He works fast. So, what is the function of an adverb? It modifies verb, adjective, then another adverb. Okay, these are three things: verb, adjective, another adverb. So here, first one works. He works. How he works? He works fast. See the modifier. He works. He works fast. Understood? Next, second example. Coming to adjective. Okay. This girl is very intelligent. This girl is very intelligent. So now where is an adjective?
very intelligent.
Yes, intelligent. So where is an adverb? Very.
Very.
Here the fast is adverb. Here the very is an adverb. Remember, this girl is very intelligent. How much intelligent? Very intelligent. Here, okay. See the modifier adjective here. Very, sorry, an adverb. Very. The girl is very intelligent. Okay.
They were speaking in soft voices.
They are speaking in soft voice. They are speaking in Sema in soft voice.
Soft voices.
Soft voices. Okay, now identify where is an adverb.
Adverb is soft, sir.
Adverb is soft. No, adjective is softer. Clear?
Then voices is adverb, sir.
So voice is a noun, but actually this is not. This is not for an adverb, children. Okay. They are speaking in soft voices. Okay, we'll cancel this. Instead of cancelling,
They
we
gave
can.
it in the course book only, sir. That example. The example is given in the course book, sir.
They
That's
were
why I told that.
speaking in soft voices. The soft is a modifier here.
Yes.
Okay. I will check this part whether it is an adjective here or maybe an adverb. Clear? But according to the course book, it is an adverb. Soft. Okay, adverb. In this case, it is right.
I will plant the saplings after
One
sunset.
minute. Okay, this girl is very intelligent, and then they are speaking in soft voices. Okay, this is also an adverb. Clear? So read examples.
Examples: they were speaking in a soft voices. The bus stopped in the middle of the road. They will arrive in some time. She made the card with love.
Yes, all the underlined words which are given in the book, they are adverbial phrases. Okay, in soft voices. What set of voices? Soft voice.
In soft voices. In
Yes.
the middle of the road.
Yes, where the bus has stopped in the middle of the
In
road.
the middle of the road.
They will
in
arrive.
some time.
Yes, in some time. She made the card with what?
With love.
love.
With love.
Yes, read kinds of adverbial phrases.
Kinds of adverbial phrases. Adverbial phrase of time. An adverbial phrase of time states when something happens or how often.
Yes, remember
Example,
children, an adverbial phrase of time always says when an action has taken place. Clear? Or when something happens or how often the action is happening. That is called as the adverbial phrase of time. Clear? Example.
example, I'll complete the task in an hour.
Yeah.
After the wedding, the guests went back home.
Hmm.
I'll plant the saplings after sunset.
Okay, very good. All the underlined words. In an hour, it's a time. After the wedding, it's a time. After sunset, it refers time. Okay. Next, adverbial
Adverbial phrase
phrase of
of place.
place. Hmm.
An adverbial phrase of place states where something happens.
Yes, children, wait.
Example,
So, an adverbial phrase of place always it talks about where an action is done. Where means a particular place. Clear? That is why it is called as an adverbial phrase. Hmm.
example, there is no medical store anywhere near the place.
Hmm.
The junk was kept in the backyard.
Yes, there is no medical store anywhere near the place. Anywhere means that refers to an adverb. Okay, in the backyard. Backyard refers to a place. So that is why it is called as adverbial phrase. Okay. Next, adverbial phrase of manner. Read.
Adverbial phrase of manner. An adverbial phrase of manner states how something is done. Example, he cried like a baby. The
Yes.
lady spoke in harsh tone.
Okay. So he cried like a baby. How he has cried? Like a
Like
baby.
a baby.
The lady spoke in what manner? In a
In
harsh
a
manner.
harsh manner.
Harsh man.
He wrote a letter neatly. How he has written a letter?
Neatly.
Neatly. Okay, he has
Neatly.
spoken with us politely. How he has spoken?
Politely.
Politely. So all these words that they come under adverbial phrase of manner. Quickly tell me, children, all of you, adverbial phrase of time says about
Adverbial phrase of
Time.
time, sir.
when something
States about
happens.
when something happen or how often it happens.
Yeah, simply remember when an action takes place. Clear? Next, adverbial phrase of place talks about
States where something
Where something happens.
hmm?
situation is happening.
Where
Yeah,
something
the
happens.
where
place is
something
located
happens or where an action is
The
done.
action is happening.
Yeah.
Situation.
Next, adverbial phrase of manner talks about
how something is done.
How someone behaves.
yeah. This manner means how a person behaves. An adverbial phrase of manner states how something is done, in what manner something is done. Okay, it depends on the behavior or maybe their mannerism. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, okay, take page number 3. So quickly, all of you go through page number 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. These 3. All of you quickly go through them.
Sir, even the novel also, sir.
Novel.
Page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You told us, sir. Means summary of
In
novel
course
is
book.
also.
In course book, read page number 3. Now itself, page number 3, page number 4, 5. Just you have a glance of it.
Mister, I don't have my books yet.
Hmm.
I didn't get them yet.
Did you read? Have you gone through the book?
Going, sir.
Yeah, read fast. Then I will be giving an example for adverbial phrases, one on the board. Okay. You write in the, you write
Mister, I
in
don't
notebook.
have my books.
You write on the paper.
Yeah, I am.
Very good.
Yeah, I'm doing
Yes,
that.
yes. Do the same thing. And when you go home, what do? You write the same information in your notebook. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. You write down this. You write down this example in your notebook. The two co-workers.
Noun, phrase, prepositional phrase. Good phrase, better phrase.
The two co-workers.
Right? Is phrase.
The two co-workers.
Right word and one phrase will be more of a noun phrase.
The two co-workers walked in silence.
The leader. Function
Walked in silence.
is equals to sequence.
Okay. The two co-workers walked in silence. Identify adverbial phrase.
Determiners, answers, demonstrating.
Yes. Naina. Identify.
What we should identify?
Silence.
Adverbial
Sir,
phrase you
silence.
need to identify. The two co-workers worked in silence.
Sir, silence.
Worked in silence.
Worked in silence, sir.
Or silence or worked in silence?
Worked in silence.
Worked in silence.
Worked in silence.
Yes, very good. Worked in silent. Because
Worked in silence.
yeah. Okay. One more example. He always talks. He
Yes, sir. Say, sir. He always talks.
he
We
always
should identify
talks.
adverb phrases, sir.
Yeah. He always talks to us.
He always talks to us.
Very freely.
Us. To
To
us.
us.
With an arrogant tone of voice. With
With
an arrogant
an arrogant.
tone of voice.
Sir, with an arrogant tone of voice, sir.
Sir,
Tone of
arrogant tone of
voice.
voice.
With an arrogant tone of voice, no, sir.
Yes. Okay. The answer is
Arrogant.
with an arrogant. With an arrogant